Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be your 22nd to the 30th of September reading and I hope it resonates to you. Watch out the other signs to get clear picture of your situation. And let's see, Capricorn. This is going to be your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Remember, time is fluid, so this could be something happen in your past, present and future. Let's see, Capricorn. What's on your person's mind right now in the last week of September for you? Let's see, Capricorn. What's coming for you? Lovers reversed. Chariot reversed. Hangman reversed. Hermit reversed. And the Wheel of Fortune is upright. All major arcanas. Bottom of the deck is Two of Swords. So we got a strong Gemini, strong Cancer energy, Pisces, Taurus. Honestly, this is someone here you have a very strong connection with. I do feel like someone may have made a decision to not move forward with this. This is a very strong connection or may have stepped out of this relationship. There's something that wants to come back together for sure. This connection was on hold because someone feels like whatever direction that you guys are going in, it's not victorious. See, all are lover, all are see, all are reversed is here. This is going in, it's not victorious. It's not what they want in this situation. I'm getting that someone may have made a mistake in the past and may have decided that this isn't for me. I don't want it, but what I'm seeing is that they are not happy whatever direction they are going. The Lovers, the Chariot, Hangman, Hermit and the Wheel of Fortune. They completed the one cycle and moved towards the another with you. They are at a point where they are kind of stuck and they are trying to find their way back to you. Let's see. Yeah, Page of Wands in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. So what I feel like this person is not see the clarity. Maybe they are afraid to coming towards you. The lack of communications is the main thing. They are at the point where they kind of stuck and they are trying to find their way back to you. Someone doing a lot of thinking in a still energy with the Hangman and they are trying to get unstuck, and I do feel like this is someone who may have had some commitment issues. Maybe they were not ready for the full-fledged commitment at this time, Capricorn, but I also feel like this is someone who's now thinking about it. They are thinking about it right now. And this is someone who doesn't want to see you get away. And they are realizing that you know that their life would probably incomplete if you left them. So this is someone that you may be walking away from. Maybe you recently disconnected from this person. Here is the Wheel of Fortune. You decided to not wait for them because this is definitely someone who may have some commitment issues. Let's be honest, Capricorn, but they also are willing to think about it some more and maybe even meet you in the halfway. What you have, guys, a strong relationship. It's very strong. It's a soulmate connection. Let's see. Yeah, Five of Cups. Maybe this person is stuck in this situation and they don't want to be honest, this person is cried over spilled milk with you, right? Yeah, it is a very strong, it is a soulmate connection. What you have in this, what you in this person is very unique, it's very special. They can say no to it, but it's haunting them. It's very much on this person's mind. So I feel like this is someone who may be willing to give it another chance with you. This is someone who does not want to be single anymore and they have had their chance to do whatever they wanted. This is someone who didn't want to give up their freedom and they may have been a little bit selfish, may have decided commitment isn't for me. But now they are thinking about commitment. Now, Capricorn, they give a try on this. Someone who wants some kind of change with you, some kind of forward move with you. Yeah, some kind of forward movement with you. The signs you are dealing with: Gemini, Cancer, Pisces, Virgo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, yeah, Taurus. Taurus also, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Yeah. So that's all for today, for this week, Capricorn. If it resonates, please hit the subscription button and the red bell icon for the notification. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.